Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Worksection project management platform. With Worksection, you'll be able to get started for free so you can try out their platform. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. And another advantage of using Worksection is it is beginner friendly and easy to use. So imagine that you have a big project and you have numerous team members or persons that you'll be collaborating with. With this platform, you'll all be able to collaborate and you'll be able to track the different tasks that persons are doing, and it is beginner friendly and easy to use. And you can also see that they have partnered with over 1,600 different companies, and this is a platform that is recognized worldwide. So we're going to tap on Start for Free in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be provided with a 14-day free trial period, and you can sign up using your Google account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you can choose whether you'd like to use it for yourself or you'd like to use it for business. So for this example, I will be selecting for business. After you have done that, you can select what industry do you work in, and you can select whichever industry you're in. Then you can see what is your role in the company. You can select that. Then you can select the amount of employees that is in the company. After doing that, we are going to tap right here where you see Get Demo. You can select yes or maybe later. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your Worksection dashboard. Once on the dashboard, the first thing you will need to do is create your first project. So you're going to tap on Create First Project, and you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can send an invitation to your employees or to your team members, so you could type in their email addresses right here, then tap on Invite to Account. Once you have invited the team members, this is where you'll be able to put the project name. So for example, let's say I will just call my first project Test, and then from there you can add in a description. So let's say for example, this description will be how to create a thumbnail. So I'll just type in how to create a thumbnail right here. So we'll type that in real quick. After you have done that, you can also attach files if you want by tapping on Attach a New File. So you could upload a file if you want. Then scrolling down, you can select the due date. So you can see right there whether you like it to be a project without a due date, or you can tap on Deadline, and then from there you can select the deadline. So let's say the deadline will be the 31st of October. I could set it right there, then tap on Apply. After you have done that, you can see right here, Start Finish. So you can select the date that you would like it to start. So I'll tap right there, and I want it to start from the 15th, and it will be finishing on the 31st, and we'll tap on Apply right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down, you can choose who will be the lead on the project. And over here is where you'll tap on Assignee, and you could assign it to a particular team member. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Create Project at the bottom of the page. Now that you have created your first project, you can split it up into small tasks. So for example, the first project will be to create the thumbnail. So let's say for example, one of the tasks will be to brainstorm different ideas. So you can tap on Create Task, and from there we could type in brainstorm. So you can type that in right there. Let me do that real quick. And then after doing that, again, you could assign it to someone, and you can also choose deadline, and you could select when is it due. So let's say for example, it will be due the 15th, and we'll tap on Apply. Then you could type in a quick description right there. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Create Task. So you have created your first major project, and then you have created a task below it, and you can create multiple tasks if you want. Then after you have finished, you can go back to the main dashboard by tapping on the W in the top left hand corner, and you'll be able to see your project, and you'll also be able to track the different tasks. You can also change the layout. As you can see, you have different options. So for example, you can change it to Kanban, and you could go back and you could change the layout style to whatever you want. Another thing that you can also do is by going over to the top left hand corner of the navigation bar, you'll be able to view the reports. So you can tap on General, and you can view it by day, you can view it by projects, you can also view it by people or detail. And you can also tap on calendar, and from there you'll be able to track the different tasks for a particular day. And you can also tap on people, and then from there you'll be able to invite new persons, and you can also view the persons that you have invited thus far. And if we were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the green dot right here, this is a quick access to adding new tasks or adding new projects or adding new contacts or inviting people. So you can see, as I said earlier, this is a very beginner friendly platform and easy to use. And you can use it to collaborate with numerous persons to finish a task in a timely manner. And that's it when it comes on to Worksection. And if it is a case that you would like to upgrade, we can do that also. So you could go back to the main dashboard, and for example, if we were to tap on pricing, you can see right here that their basic price starts off at $2.90, and that's quite affordable, and it goes up to $5, as you can see right there, and that would be with 50 users, and you'll also get a high amount of storage. So if you're looking for a platform that you can use to monitor your different projects while you're collaborating with your team members, I would definitely recommend that you give this platform a try. And you can also go over to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then from there you could tap on account. After you have tapped on account, you could change your profile pic. You can also scroll down and you could change the language and set the time zone. You can also change the clock from 24-hour, and you can also toggle on time tracking, so you'll be able to track how long someone takes on a particular task. And you can also integrate it on different platforms. As you can see right here, you can integrate it on Slack, Pipedrive, HubSpot, and so much more. And by going up to the top navigation bar once more, you can tap on stages and labels. And from there you can edit the different labels. As you can see how it looks, you have the to-do label right there. You could tap on that and you could change the color for it. So you can customize all of the labels. You can tap on the plus to add a new label, as you can see right there. You can also tap on security, and from there, if you go onto their paid plan, you'll be able to add a custom domain, and you can also set up two-factor authentication, and you can also enable or disable the email notification section. So there are numerous options that you have. You can also tap on import, and from there you'll be able to import different projects from different services, whether that be Basecamp, Rike, Jira, or ClickUp, or so on. As you can see right here, you can import from any one of these softwares. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.